Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Deluxe Ashton Realistic Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Ashton Realistic Dildo itself. As you can see, it features a very realistic design with a realistic ball sack at the base just here, a veiny textured shaft which is very stimulating when inserting, and a rounded head at the top just here as well. Here are some useful measurements about the Ashton Dildo. The total length of the product is 21 centimeters. The insertion depth is 16.5 centimeters. The maximum diameter is 4.5 centimeters and the minimum diameter is 4 centimeters. Now, as mentioned, this is a very realistic dildo which feels incredible during use. It's made of an ultra silky soft silicone material that feels really comfortable to wear during use. This dildo is suitable for both vaginal and anal stimulation. It also features a revolutionary material that is flexible and adapts to the body's natural shape as well. This is no ordinary dildo. It features a flexible yet firm core made of a SiliXpand material, so it does remember your body shape and it's very interesting to touch as well. It also features a strong suction cup, meaning you can place this dildo on any flat, smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation as well. It's also suitable to use in combination with a strap-on harness. Now, when using the Ashton Realistic Dildo, we would highly recommend to use in combination with a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Please note you cannot use a silicone lubricant in combination with a silicone sex toy. Make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water too. And that is the Real Fantasy Deluxe Ashton Realistic Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.